In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Collaborator request code in Shopify, provide Shopify Partners access to Shopify Store. When you want to give a developer, designer, or marketing expert access to your Shopify store, you don't have to share your personal login. Instead, Shopify uses something called a Collaborator request code. This code makes the process more secure by ensuring that only the partner you choose can request access to your store. Here's how you can find and use it in 2025. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard here. In the bottom left-hand corner, click on Settings. Now then go to Users and Permissions. Scroll down and you'll see a section called Collaborators. This is where Shopify allows you to manage who has access to your store. Next, look for the area labeled Collaborator Request Code. Shopify automatically generates this unique code for your store. Copy it and then share it directly with the Shopify partner or expert you want to grant access to. They'll need this code when they send you a Collaborator request through their partner dashboard. By entering the code, they prove they're authorized to request access to your store. Once the partner sends their request using your code, you'll receive a notification in your Shopify admin as well as an email. You can review the request under Users and Permissions, where you'll see exactly which sections of your store they want to access. You'll always have the final say. You can approve, limit, or decline the request entirely. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.